What's good, guys? How's all doing? Today is Thursday, and I want to show you some trades that I took for the week, which I wasn't able to do, which I wasn't able to screen record them. So I just want to do just show you all the trades I've taken for the week. But today is Thursday, then the market will be closing tomorrow. But I'm not taking any trade today. I want to show you some trades that I took on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, and how they've been. So this was Monday chart. On Monday, I was looking for this. This is USD Swiss franc. Yes, so on Monday, this was how I marked down my chart. I wanted USD Swiss franc to pull back to this level, then I look for short opportunities. That was what I was looking for. But for the meantime, I was like, if I get any short buy here, I'll buy to this level. So on my 1 hour chart, I saw something interesting. Let me show you. I saw something interesting on my 1 hour chart. This was it, the resistance level. So I said, let me wait for price to pull back to this resistance level, and there's also some other block around this level. So it was a good trade, but it was a loss. Okay, so right here, let me show you something on the 15-minute chart. So when I saw the third touch, I was like, okay, this is a good trade. When I saw the third touch, I was like, this is a good trade, because I needed like some if I will get a short buy term to that level before I start shorting. So right here, that I got my third touch. It's a third touch, just that because I didn't mark it well. It's a third touch. Okay, so when I got the third touch, I was like, I didn't get any entry on the 15-minute chart. I went to the 30-minute. I entered based on the 15-minute and the 30-minute, sometimes the 5-minute. So on the 30-minute, I got a bullish engulfing. Then I entered here. I entered right here with my stop loss below the bullish engulfing. This was where I entered, and I was targeting for 1:3. I don't go for anything less than 1:3. I was targeting for 1. So this was where I literally entered. So let's drop back to the 15-minute chart. Let me show you something. This was the lesson I learned after I took this loss. This was the lesson that I learned. So let me play it out so that you see. Let me play out. Price took me out, but after it took me out, I rather saw something. I was like, okay, next time this is not gonna repeat. Price took me out. Okay. So as you can see, price took me out. Let me remove this one. When price took me out, I saw that before I entered the trade, there was some sort of a better structure on the 15-minute chart. Let me show you guys. Stick around. We just learn. That's how we beginners will do. When you make a mistake and there's something that you can learn from it, you learn from it and we move. So let me show you. Something that I saw on the 15-minute chart. That was like, okay, what was the reason? Where is it? Let me show you. Stick around, guys. Stick around. I don't know. So on the 15-minute, I had this very structure. If you can see on the 15-minute, let me drop to the 5 minutes so that you see it well. Okay. So as you can see on the 5 minute, that was on the 15-minute. We have a better structure to the trend line: lower low, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, then a lower low. So if I should have entered, let me pull back to the 15 minutes and show you something. If I should have entered, since there was this small better structure forming in the 15-minute time frame to the trend line, I should have waited for price to take out those that entered on the lower high. Let me show you. Let me zoom out again then. Let me zoom out. Okay. So you see here, if though we are not smart with the market analysis, but if maybe I was a pro trader, after seeing this better strength to the trend line, you know that price is going to respect this trend line, but most of the time, price will only respect the trend line. I should have waited for price to tap into this trend line. You see, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Then I wait for price to also go and tap into the other trend line. Because if there's a better structure, most of the time there's a trend line around this level. Price to tap into this trend line, pull back, take out those that entered on that third touch of the trend line, those that entered right here, right at this level. You know, others would have entered for sell position with their take profit at this low. So I should have waited, because seeing this bearish trend, you just wait for those that entered here to take out their profits below this zone. When they take out their profit, price is now free to move in its original direction. So immediately price, those that entered, when I entered around here, so price came, those that entered for the sales around here, they took out their profit at this low. You see the price just took out this low, clear liquidity, then it gave me my entry pattern on the 15-minute chart again. But around that time I was not on the chart, so I didn't see. Later that I then came and I looked at the chart, I said, what can I learn? So I then saw this, and I've seen it severally, so I just said, okay. So most of the time, if I'm entering on a trend like that, I see a very structure, then I just have to wait for price to pull back, take out they take out their profit. Then immediately they take out their profit. You see that a very bullish engulfing was formed. So when you now enter here, price is free to move. When you enter here, so that was the lesson I learned from this trade. And I was very happy. I was happy that it wasn't just a loss, but I learned something from it. And I've targeted this high 1:5, which would have been even more better than the one that was targeted to 1:3. Though I don't target more than 1:3, but this was something good that anyone can target. And let's see, price just move to take profit. Let's see. So this was the lesson I learned from this trade. This was the lesson. You see, price just move to take profit. So I was like, okay, then fine. And immediately price got to the zone that I was waiting to now sell. Let me show you on the 1 hour chart. So on the 1 hour chart, this was my initial zone where I was waiting for price to pull back, tap into this blue line, then I looked for sales on the 15-minute, or but the entry was given on the 30-minute chart. As you can see, on the 30-minute chart, it gave me a bearish engulfing. Mostly I use the engulfing candlestick to enter. But the time that it gave me this time, I was in the night, I was sleeping. I forgot, I was sleeping. I didn't even know the time that it was not in the morning that I woke up and I saw that price has already respected my analysis, went into take profit, then was now doing all sort of things. So this was where I should have entered if I was on the chart. Like, it just went straight into take profit, straight into take profit. So this was the Monday trade. So I took a loss here, and if I take a loss in a day and I reach 1%, then I'm down for the day. If only that trade I was not sure and I raised 0.5%, I might also take another trade in case I see any trade and also raise another 0.5%. I don't raise more than 1% of my account in a day. So in a day I raise just 1%. It's either I raise on one trade or two trades, 0.5. So this trade I raised 1% on this trade, so it was a loss that I was down for the day. And this one was given, the entry was given the next day, early in the morning. That was around 3 a.m. thereabout. When I was sleeping, that the entry was given, and it went into take profit. I didn't see that one. So when I woke up in Tuesday morning, I saw some setups on AUD USD and USD Swiss franc. Let me show you this one. AUD USD and USD Swiss franc. They too, I don't know why. Those ones I raised 0.5 on the two, and all of them went into stop losses. But one should have gone to break even. All of them should have gone, but I don't know. This one, it was how I placed my stop loss. It was too tight. So let me show you this one. Let me go back to the 1 hour chart. 1 hour chart. On my 4 hour chart, I had an order block right here. On my 4 hour chart, I had an order block right here, which I wanted price to pull back to. So literally, I got a third touch of my trend line, then some other confirmation. Then I'm just trying to make this video quick, and shouldn't be long. I don't want to make the video long. That's why I'm just trying to make everything quick. So this was what I saw. So I just wanted to short price back to the order block. I just wanted to short price back to the order here. I want to short price back to this level. So seeing this, I just went to my 15-minute chart to look for entry. On my 15-minute chart, you can see I've got a bearish engulfing right here. So I entered here, and when I was entering here, I also saw another I was selling ADV. I also saw a buy signal on USD Swiss franc, so I entered here 0.5. Then I don't know, but it was a spread based on my trading view. Price didn't take me out on trading view, but it took me out on the broker because of the spread. It took me out on the broker, so I was going for 1 to 3 as usual. So let's see how this one played out. And this one I was risking 0.5%. As you can see here, it didn't tap me out, but it later then took me out. But I would have break even at this level. So this trade should have been a break even trade. It should have been a break even trade, not a loss. But on my broker, it just took me out so early. So this was this trade. Let me show you. So I raised 0.5% on this trade. Let me show you the other trade. That was on USD Swiss franc. That one just took me out. That it was USD card. Okay, it was USD card rather. So let me go to the 1 hour chart, then let me show you what I saw. So I had this my resistance trend line at this level, at this point. As you can see, that's the higher time frame trend line. So I was just looking for short opportunities to the trend line, like the way price is still moving. So I was just looking for short opportunities to the trend line. And before I took that trade, I got a setup on another setup, but I didn't take that setup because that setup too, I got the setup on Friday before the market closed, that I saw what was formed. So I was just waiting for Monday to open then. If everything aligns, and I take. But when Monday open, you know when the market open, price will be moving anyhow. But immediately the market open, it gave me an entry, then start then moving. So the time I came back London session, then price had already passed my entry weight, and it has passed where I wanted to enter, but it has already given me everything that went. So this was what I was looking for. Let me use the replay back to. So before the week ended, let me use the replay back to. So before the week ended, this was what I was looking for. Let me remove this one. Before the week ended, I was like, this trend was very then. I saw a change of trend and change of structure. So I was thinking that price is changing structure to pull back to my trend line. Oh shit! Something has stopped. Let me bring it back again. And then, so you see lower low, lower high, lower low. But my previous video, I shot right here. Then I wanted to go for 1 to 3 price move 1 to 2. I broke even then price pull back to stop loss. So right here, I was seeing this kind of, you see, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So price closed around this level on Friday, and I was saying that Monday, if I should see that price is pulled back to this line, I was expecting price to pull them, push to the upside. So I marked out my resistance trend line. I was waiting for the market to open. Then I see a retest of that line with some sort of confirmation. Then I take the trade. So I was seeing a possible reversal already when the market was in a downtrend. So I just wanted the market to open, price to pull back to this level with some other confirmation. Then I buy. So let me show you when the market open. You know, market always open around 10 p.m. in the night here, before the Monday morning, which will now be 7 o'clock London session. So 10 p.m. already, I was sleeping then. Let me show you. Well, normally I work in the night, so when I get Sundays that I'm not going to work, I normally use it to get some rest. Because Monday again, I'm starting work in the night. So the market opened, and this was how price played out. Let me show you. This was my 15-minute chart. A good, like if I was here, this would have been like a simple trade for me to take. But I woke up Monday morning, the time I woke up to analyze, price has already passed my entry. It has given me an entry. Then why is this thing shaking? Okay, price has already given me